Hi there, welcome everyone. Today I am going to make the Achar Gosht with the beef one and also with the bone. So today I am going to challenge myself. I am using the Achar Gosht for the Ghost Chilli, but this is for fun. So don't try to use this one. This is like a spice is 700 times more than the regular chili. Just for fun. I want to try this one myself also today. Okay, first we'll make the achar masala. So this is like a 1 tablespoon coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon fennel seeds and 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, the black one, and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. And there is some also other spices. So first we have to grind this one. Not grind, like I have to little bit crush it. You can see it's already crushed. It's not a grind. We need like this. Okay, next. So we'll put all the spices in these balls. We're making little bit extra masala for the achar masala, and also we will fill up some spices in the chili. So this is onion seeds, half teaspoon, and this is methi seeds, half teaspoon, and this is CAROM seeds, half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, sorry, and also this is chili flakes, 1 tablespoon. So we have to mix it, this one. So now we'll put the 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon hot chili powder and 1 tablespoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon chaat masala and also 10 black whole clove. We'll mix it. So this is basically achar masala. You can get it from the ready one, the store, any kind of brand, like a good brand. So this is the same way. So today I am going to make at home. So now next step, we are using mustard oil for this achar gosht. I already warm up this, already boiled it almost. So it's cooled down now. So we need to make a little bit hotter. So I'll separate some achar masala and also 1 tablespoon. Then I'll put some oil, the mustard oil, 2 tablespoon, 3 tablespoon. We'll mix it. So later I will fill up with this one, the chili. So I already preheated the oil, mustard oil is like a quarter cup. We need little bit extra oil. So first it's already ready. So we'll put the one like a big size of onion slice. So we need to fry the onion until it's little bit brown. Then I will go for the next step. So onion is almost starting golden browning. So now we'll put this is half kg beef with bone. If you want, you can use lamb or chicken, whatever you like, you can make it, but different is the timing. Timing will be different because chicken is cooked fast, beef is cooked take little bit longer time. The recipe will be same. So we need to, like on medium heat, we have to cook it at least 5 minutes, this meat, until its color change. Then we'll go for further process. And also I did a mistake when I was making the achar masala. Instead of I have to put the whole black pepper, I told you guys by mistake cloves. Don't put the cloves, just black pepper, 10 black pepper. I am sorry for that. So meat has been cooking for the last 5 minutes. So now you can see they release some water also. Now time to put the 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. And also we have to mix it and cook it for another 2-3 minutes. Then after that I will put the achar masala. So now time to put the achar masala. So we'll mix it well. So now we'll cover it and we'll cook for another 5 minutes. Then I will go for further process on medium heat. So now I have to fill up the achar masala inside the chili. So I already cut it. So now I have to fill up with the masala. Like this, gents, just keep it like this. So now time to put the tomato. So this is one tomato already fine chopped. So I have to add it. We have to cook it like a stir it like at least 2-3 minutes. Then after that we will put it in the medium flame. Sorry, not medium, on low flame. And we will cover it. After 5 minutes, then I will go for the another step. So now I will put the 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it. So this is half cup of yogurt. I already beat it. So you have to add it. So mix it. Now you can flame increase the low to medium. Now we'll cover it on medium low flame for 5 minutes. Next 5 minutes, then I will put some water. So now we'll mix it little bit, and after that we have to put the 2 fresh lemons. We have to squeeze it. Now time to put the half cup of water. Now we will cook it until it's soft. At least you need 30 to 40 minutes. Until it's soft, we have to cook it. We will cook in the low medium heat. So achar gosht is cooking for the last 1 hour 10 minutes. So now time to put the stuffed chili. We'll put on top. Now cover it and turn off the gas, and after 10 minutes you can serve it. So now time to serve it. So I already put like a little bit extra oil. Achar gosht always has little extra oil. If you don't want too much oil, then you can cut down the oil. There is no problem.